This is how you record your iPhone screen. Pull down from the top right. That opens the control center. I currently have a little record circle there. If I tap on that, it'll start recording. You probably don't have that there yet. So tap the plus in the top left corner. That gets us into edit mode for the control center where you can move things around, adjust the size. You can also tap on add a control. There's lots of different ones to choose from. We can see right here one called screen recording. That's that circle that we saw on my control panel there. If you don't see it there, just tap into the search record, and you'll see it pop up in the results there. Then just tap on it, and it'll be added to your home screen. Now that it's here, when we tap on this, it counts down from 3, 2, 1, and it starts recording. And you can come out here, do whatever you want on your screen. We can see up here the red background for the clock that indicates that the recording is on. Tap on that when you're finished. Tap on stop. Creates the recording, saves it to your Photos app, and here's the recording. There's a couple options you might want to consider as well. If we go back to our control center and we tap and hold on this, we can make the microphone on or off. So you can essentially turn your phone into a hot mic if you want, or record whatever you're doing on your phone. If it's like this, where the microphone circle is red and the microphone is white, that means the microphone is on and it's recording audio. If it's grayed out, then audio is not being recorded. You can also choose where to save the recording to. It's Photos by default, and that's where I save mine as well, but you have different options. Pick the one that works for you. I'm going to turn the microphone on this time, tap out of here. Now if I tap this again, it counts down, starts recording. It does not indicate that we're using the microphone, the microphone's on. It looks the same up here, everything's the same. It's just that the video, when we play it back in the Photos app, is going to have sound. So if I tap on this to stop it, stop recording, tap on here to see the recording. Indicate that we're using the microphone's on. It looks the same up here, everything's the same. As you can see, now it has sound. And I can go ahead from here, share it, love it. You can do a little minor editing to it, and that's how you record on your iPhone. If you got value from this video, please like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. You've probably never done it. It probably needs to be done. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.